Good afternoon, everyone. It's about 7th or 8th of August. I can't remember what day it is, to be honest with you. Really windy day today. On the seafront. So I've got to go along the seafront and see how bad it is. My life in my hands today. Where Harry Ramsden's used to be, and a place called Greeny Pig. Not far from the winter gardens. Eventually, hopefully, when I get blown away. It does deter people walk along the seafront here by the tower. Well, we're due to have some travel demonstration here today, so hopefully the weather will actually put them off. So, you know, that's what I'm praying for, that the so-called protests, which may happen today, does not happen due to the weather. And that it deters some from visiting and of course the trouble here in Blackpool, or anywhere really. Yeah, yes, we've all had enough of it, of all the problems. We don't want no more trouble now. Thank you. So thank you to them. Gone on to the tram tracks. No trams at the moment. They may even stop running actually. Let's go down to the sea and see how bad the sea is, I think. Here we are, I'm much on the carpet. Got beach patrol here. And they're stopping people going onto the beach, to be honest with you. I don't blame them. Yes, see, there was a problem at the Central Pier. A young lady was walking on the pier and she fell through it. She actually ended up on the beach. She fell about 30 feet. So I'd be surprised if the Central Pier is actually open due to safety reasons. And as you can see, it's really, really choppy here on the seafront. I've even got trouble hold on to my camera, my phone actually, which I'm using. So let's go down to the further down. Here we have the Albert and Lion. We've got the Blackpool Tower here. We've got the Wild West Diner across the road as well, which I haven't been into yet. I've sat outside the Albert and Lion, but that's the furthest I got. It's not the best day to walk around the seafront, especially in this blustery weather. You know, sometimes you have to take your life in your own hands as well. But I'm not standing too near the front, so I'm trying to be safe as possible. Yes, it's always best to be safe than sorry, I think. You normally use a load of people on the seafront, in the sea, paddling and everything, but tram just going past. Yeah, we've got the sirens going along as usual. Nothing unusual for Blackpool. There's normally an ambulance going past, going up to normally to Victoria Hospital. So they've got an ambulance station just down the road from here. So they're normally on their blues and twos, as it's called. You know, to an emergency. There you go, the seagulls enjoying the lovely sea waves, I think. Well, I don't think there'll be many people here eating fish and chips outside. Well, it's not just the seagulls to worry about, it's actually the wind. There's loads of them here, seagulls. Scrounging as usual. The coast, of course, seagulls. Now we have the Island over here. Got the Blackpool rock. Now we have the lifeboat shop, the lifeboat station here. We have the lifeboat shop, which is here, this is the centre. You can buy loads of stuff here. There we go, we've got one of the trams, one of the flexi trams. That's our gates. There we have the beach control here. And a quad bike thing. see everybody walking on the pier. Oh yes I can. So it's actually open, which I'm surprised, considering what happened yesterday. Here we have the Odyssey coming up. We have the promenade and the Sea Life Centre. Odyssey is coming soon, 2024. It's when the Blackpool illumination lights switch on at the end of the month. We have the Spitfire again, in my other video, which I done a couple of days ago. It's a replica Spitfire, what I can make out. They haven't actually added anything onto it, onto the display. There we go. You can actually go in there and sit in the cockpit and have your photograph taken for roughly about 10 quid, I can make out. Yeah. There we go. Cockpit photos, £10 per person. Minimum age of 8 years. Maximum weight 15 stone. No back, hip or knee problems. So I can't go on there because I've got problem with my leg and knees. So I can't have a sit in. Yeah. Yeah.
Buying a piece of history.
Yeah. There we are. So they're open now, but as from Monday they were closed. So we're coming up to the Central Pier. Yeah, I'm really surprised it's open, to be honest with you. Okay. That's right. So they're really playing dancing with them. Right. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you very, very soon. Bye bye.